What's poppin', my beautiful friends? So I got a issue. My door won't close. My microwave. I know what the problem is. Shaking my weave. Is this little latch right here. So behind this latch, there's supposed to be a spring, and the spring either is broken or is coming out of the socket. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have to open this and try to fix the spring in here. Okay. So what I'm gonna have to do is, okay, I got open up this here. I got pop this open. Pop, pop. Okay, then we're gonna pop these right here. Alright, so see the spring back here? Look at that spring. It's all gone. It's out of there. So all we're gonna do is this spring actually used to be connected right here. But because it's not there anymore, the spring is by itself now. Like, help me, look at me. So this is what we're gonna do, okay? The closest one is this little part right here. So we're just gonna hook this up in here like this. Man, I got you, Slim. So we're gonna hook that up like that. We're gonna look again. The latch supposed to go here. There it is. Gonna hook it up right there. We're gonna use two hands to basically put this back in the socket. We'll push it to the back. There it is. We push it to the back. Then we're gonna use two hands because we don't want to break this, and fit it into the socket. 1 and 2. There it is. Now the spring works. And guess what? Just like that, we was done. Now all we gotta do is pop these. You heard what he did. Oh, you heard what he did. Ready? Oh, in your face, baby. Yeah, and just like that, we was done. So this GE, the JV M7195DF1CC. Yeah, it's funny because GE said, if you want somebody to come out, it's $100 for them to come. That's before they even get the parts and the labor. Well, guess what? For $3, I did it myself. Chitty chitty bang bang. Anywho, my people, I hope this helps somebody out. It's a GE microwave. Get it.